Unleashed like a thunderclap across the trucking world, Scania has just shattered expectations by unveiling what could be the ultimate game-changer for American roadster. Trucks so perfectly engineered that it bridges continents and redefines long-haul performance. Known globally for its masterfully crafted rigs, Scania has long stood as a forbidden fruit in the United States, admired from afar but legally restrained. Now, with bold innovation and a deep understanding of North American transport needs, Scania has seemingly tailored a machine that finally speaks the language of American highways. The newly introduced model, derived from the latest R-Series or possibly an advanced evolution of the S-Series, now features major design and compliance upgrades to align with US safety, emissions, and size regulations. Its legendary cab-over design has been reworked for better aerodynamics and enhanced driver comfort, all while preserving Scania's signature modular build and timeless profile. It flaunts bold LED lighting systems, advanced lane keeping assist, radar-guided cruise control, and an interior cabin that rivals high-end sedans in comfort and tech. Underneath, it packs Scania's renowned 16.4-liter V8 engine, delivering up to 770 horsepower and an enormous 3,700 Nm of torque, ideal for coast-to-coast hauls and mountainous routes alike. Combined with its OptiCruise automated transmission and fuel-efficient driveline, this truck sets new standards in long-range economy, outperforming many US-made Class 8 trucks in both fuel savings and emission control. What's more impressive is the potential pricing strategy. While Scania trucks have traditionally hovered above $150,000 globally, this new US-oriented variant is projected to start competitively around $160,000, $180,000, putting it squarely in competition with flagship models like the Kenworth T680 Next Gen and Freightliner Cascadier. With service partnerships and dealer networks rumored to be expanding under Triton's global footprint, this could finally mark Scania's full entry into the American market, not just as a novelty import, but as a serious contender in the long-haul game. If embraced, it could reshape what American drivers expect from their rigs in performance, comfort, and tech integration. If the sound of revolution on 18 wheels excites your inner road warrior, don't ride solo. Subscribe now, leave your thoughts in the comments, and join our unstoppable community of truck lovers, road legends, and machine dreamers who live life in the fast lane of diesel and destiny.